everyone, I'm so excited to share this happy mail that was sent to me by one of my viewers. Thank you so much, Lynn, if you're watching. I have asked her if she was okay with me filming it, and if you're watching, thank you so much again. It's just so generous is the word I was looking for. So a while ago we have been talking about the books by Helen Birch, and there's 4 books altogether, and I have reviewed all of them. I'll try to link them up here. And there was one book which I couldn't get here in UK, and Lynn said to me that basically this is the Freehand book, and she sent me this book, and I'm so excited because it has these kind of illustrative quality to it. So let's see, this is 2013, and does it say anything else? Sketching tips and tricks drawn from art. So yeah, I mean, I love Helen Birch's books, and I'm so happy to have the final book. Oh my gosh, do you remember the VHS? This is so retro now, isn't it? How we used to record things, and like, I mean, try to explain this to our kids now. Mine is 4, so he won't understand it, but when he's like a few years older, he'd be like, Mom, what are you talking about? Yeah. So brings memories back, doesn't it? But it's a beautiful illustration, so all of this is illustrated. And gorgeous. So I'll do a flip through for you if you're interested. And yeah, thank you again. So excited. Look at the back of it. Okie dokie, next one. There's another book which I'll go into, but maybe let's do these bits here. So she also sent me these 2 brushes which I have a set of, so thank you. It's always great to have extras. Yeah, they're very good for inking and using them with I use them with the Tim Holtz Distress Oxides and other inks that I have. They're just great buffing brushes, and they're actually designed to be makeup brushes, and but I found them to be good. So a few more extras for me. Thank you very much. Then there is this beautiful sticker sheet, which is from Piggy Me. So it says here Piggy Me. Anyway, you have a look here. Who's that by? There we go. And I have a feeling that you have to cut them out. Yes, so you'd have to cut them out and then peel them off. So this is quite pretty because it's sort of like watercolor dishes. And then you have some half pans here with a few Moon Glow by Daniel Smith. Isn't that funny? Our favorite, or most of us love this Moon Glow anyway. And there's a letter here which I haven't opened yet, and I will have a quick look now, and then I'll see if I can share it or not. Oh gosh, I have to show you this. This is like the most prettiest thing I've ever seen. It's just so gorgeous. You guys in America have the most stunning stuff. Like, you know, we don't get this here. Look at that. Beautifully cut out paper, flowers. I mean, our Hallmark, what are they called? Postcards that we get here. They're just not nothing like this. This is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lynn, so much. This will be living on my bookshelf, and I will be looking at it every day. It's so pretty. Thank you. So it's just, it says a little note in there, and yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, so next thing. There are a couple of these things which I haven't seen before. Again, maybe that's something that you lucky guys in America get. So Daniel Smith Extra Fine Mineral Marbles, and oh, so if I'm not mistaken, it says here included in this set are 36 marvelous dots of watercolor paint on 9 themed cards. So we have Rocking Red, which has Rhodonite Genuine, Garnet Genuine, Minnesota Pipestone Genuine, and Bloodstone Genuine. Oh my gosh, all of these colors I wanted to try. Oh my god, Lynn, where'd you get this stuff? This is amazing. 36 unique mineral watercolor dots from nature palette to use. Oh my gosh. And then we have the Red Earth, Hematite Burnt Scarlet Genuine, Piemontite Genuine, Mami Bauxite and Sicklerite Genuine. Then we have Red Sands Bronzite Genuine, Red Fuchsia Genuine, Burnt Bronzite Genuine, Red Jasper Genuine. I can tell you so far I only have 2 or 3 of those. The rest are all completely new to me. Baked Earth, Yavapai Genuine, Sedona Genuine, Sedona I have, Tiger Eye Genuine, Burnt Tiger Eye Genuine. Always wanted to try these. A couple of them I tried from my dot card, but it's like I swatched it out and it's pretty much finished, so I have a feeling this might have a bit more paint and it would be so amazing. Then we have Royal Purple, Purprite Genuine, Amethyst Genuine, Sudanite Genuine, Hematite Violet Genuine, Metamorphic Black, Sodalite Genuine, Zoisite Genuine, Hematite Genuine, Black Genuine. Gosh, it's amazing how many colors you get here. Oceanic, Mayan Blue Genuine, Kingman Green Turquoise. I kind of feel that there is also some colors that I don't have on my dot card. Diopside Genuine, Green Apatite Genuine, Blue Beauties, Kainite Genuine, Lapis Lazuli Genuine, Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. That's their most expensive one. Genuine and Blue Apatite Genuine. And finally, Green Gems, Amazonite Genuine, Fuchsia Genuine, Jadeite Genuine, Serpentine Genuine. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, these are very generous. These are much larger than the dots that I had on my dot card. So this would be so much fun to play with. Sagilite Genuine, look at that, you can see the shimmer coming through already from here. Wow. Amazing. Look at all these colors. That Minnesota Pipestone looks gorgeous. I mean, all of them. Oh my god. Thank you, Lynn. You might have enabled me to do a little bit more shopping on Daniel Smith. But who is complaining? Okay, so definitely looking forward to swatching these out. Next one is a similar thing. It's got also 36 dots of watercolor, and these are watercolor confetti. So you have, well, let's just take them out. I'll go from the bottom this time. Okay, so we've got Gemstones Are a Girl's Best Friend, Amethyst Genuine, Rhodonite Genuine, Jadeite Genuine, Amazonite Genuine. It's time to mix and mingle with yellow, red and blue. Accent with lunar black. So kind of it invites you to mix the lunar black into them, and I guess that will create a beautiful granulation to them. Oh, look at the back. Okay, so you can play around with that. Let me just put them somehow back in order. Mixing and mingling with orange, purple and green, make tones with Jane's grey. So that's really interesting and clever way of kind of experimenting. They're giving you guidelines of what to do with them. Autumn Glow, we have Aussie Red, sorry I didn't tell you these colors here. We've got Permanent Orange, Imperial Purple, Taylor Green, Blue Shade, and Jane's Grey. Then we have Aussie Red Gold, beautiful color, one of my favorites. Quinacridone Burnt Orange, Hansa Yellow Light, Quinacridone Gold. Capture the changing season with colors that celebrate the richness of the autumn glow. That's really neat. Lynn, where do you get this stuff? This is so adorable. Pearlescent White, Duochrome Emerald, Duochrome Hibiscus. Wow, that's a beautiful color. I'm sure I have seen it, but it's just put in such a color group that it makes you look at it in a new way. Duochrome Cabo Blue. You were born to sparkle and so was your art. Oh my god, this is just cute. Too cute, in fact. Iridescent Gold, Iridescent Garnet. Wow, look at this color. That's definitely my type of a color. Beautiful. Why have I not paid attention to this before? No, I have to get my dog card and check if there is this color. Alright, he's been hiding in the, inside a bookshelf. So, here is what I have. It's a bit of a mess at the minute with my Mr. Darcy, but I'm just gonna try and find... Okay, so here it is. It's basically... So I've got my Peerless little booklets here, and that's how I use them. So this is my kind of beloved color palette here, and yeah, these are big sheets, so they will last me forever. Thank you so much. So there are 10 colors: Lip Smacking Pink, Flash Tint. In fact, I don't think I have them. I don't know if they're like unique colors or whether you could get them. Okay, so Warm Sepia I have, Bismarck Brown I have, Carnation Pink, I don't think so. No, I don't have Carnation Pink, don't have Makeup. Yellow Ochre I have, Cadmium Yellow I have, Nectar, don't have that one. Blush Rose Pink, don't have that one. Flesh Tint, don't have that one. Lip Smacking Pink, don't have that one. So I just have a few. But these are so gorgeous. What a fun little set. I mean, I say little, it's 10 colors, but this would last you forever. The Peerless colors that I got, they were like these small squares. And even then I cut them up into long strips, and it also lasts you a long time. So thank you so much for these. I'm really excited to swatch them out. Let me know, guys, in the comments below what you'd like me to see, whether you'd like me to swatch this set for you. Okay, then we have a field guide to color, a watercolor workbook by Lisa Solomon. I don't have this book, and it looks really nicely put together. I like the format, and the paper is very, very thick, so you can actually play in this book. And do your bit of art and swatching. So this looks like a good book for beginners. Would be a nice present for someone. Let's have a quick look in the contents. make a traditional color wheel, make a personal color wheel, different color schemes, charting your paint box, saturation, make as many of one color as you can, 4 ways to black. Wait, there is more than one kind of white too. So it has a playful vibe to it. And yeah, looks like a neat book. When was it published? 2019 it says, so relatively new. And there's some colors here that you can play around with and be inspired. Yeah, fun little book. Okay, then we have this card kit of the month. It's called Night Out, April 2019. I've mentioned in one of my videos about the Spellbinders that they had this kit that I couldn't get hold of, and then Lynn kindly picked up on that. But I think this is actually, she couldn't find the one that I was mentioning, but she sent me something else, and yeah, I mean, you can see it's brand new, so maybe it's been opened once or something, I don't know, but it does look completely new to me. So I'm just thinking what to put the box so we can see what's inside. I've never had the card kits, but they do such lovely dies, like such a high quality, and yeah. So it's got these little bits here, Night Out die cut shapes, some sequences here, a cute ballerina stamp set with some words that can be used for journaling. And then we have some card elements and more die cuts. There is a foiled foam stickers. There is a nice paper pad. They're also very useful to use in other like collages and things like that. I would definitely use up this one. And then yeah, so it shows you here what you have and what you can create. I wouldn't necessarily create a card, but I think I would use some of these elements for, I've got a tape, double-sided tape. I would use them up for collages. There's some envelopes and cards, and then some paper in pretty beautiful colors actually. Let's have a look. We've got a grey. Oh, I love the texture. A cream, a silver, a pink, a peach, white, black. Yeah, so the color theme is quite gorgeous. Alright, so this is fun for one day when I have a bit of time. During winter, usually I'm sort of into creating little fun bits and pieces like that. And actually these could be quite cute to give as little cards to the key workers in the preschool, as my son will be starting school this September, so he's got his last couple of weeks left, and I could use that up for that. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much, Lynn. This has been so generous. And then some. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to swatching everything out and playing, and thank you so much for all the books and everything. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.